From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Reza in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up, what's up, what's up? In today's video we're going to be trying a hairstyle. You know, Reza doesn't really try new hairstyles, but sometimes I do feel like, you know, doing a little something different, and today's the day. My hair has already been prepped. Insert clips on how I prepped my hair. We're going to prep my hair for my next hairstyle for the week. I just deep conditioned my hair. Check out my recent video. Is it gonna be the recent video at this point? I'm gonna put my hair in sections just to prepare my hair to be styled. I'm not gonna style it right away. I'm just going to start the moisturizing process first while my hair is wet and saturated. I'm going to use a moisturizer by Tgin. I haven't used this in a while because I couldn't find it in any of the beauty supply stores and I wasn't going to order it, but this is actually one of my favorite moisturizers. Like, this is really good, and this is something that I definitely would repurchase. I have showed you guys this product on my channel before, right? Really love this. So I'm gonna put that all over my hair. So let me start on this big section first. Still wet from my deep conditioning session. I literally jumped right into this video. I am gonna break the sections down to put in maybe some big twists or plaits, whichever one I feel like doing, to stretch my hair. The style I'm going to do, I'm going to need to work with stretched hair, so maybe braids would be the best option. Okay, so I just applied it on that big section first. Now we're going to apply it on this big section and go back to this section. I just want to apply it first so that my hair won't dry. You get me? This product is really good, as I said, so I use it as a leave-in conditioner, but it's a moisturizer because I do use another product over it to seal that moisture in. Now let's move back to this section. It doesn't have to be this complicated because after you come out the shower or while you're in the shower, you can just apply it right there. I mean, it doesn't take me that long because I usually do this in front of my mirror real quick. We're gonna continue breaking it down into smaller sections. We got this section right here at the back. Get my hair damp again. That deep conditioner really brought the curls back to life. Y'all seeing this? After using heat too. I'm gonna detangle. As I said, I want my hair to be stretched, but I don't feel like braiding. Like, braiding takes so long. Anyway, let's braid. You guys saw what I did. Just gonna continue to break my hair into smaller sections and braid. So that's how we got to the braids, right? So hair is moisturized, so we just gonna style, right? I would have preferred for my hair to be a little more dry, but I got somewhere to go and I gotta work tomorrow, so once work starts I won't have any time to do anything extra, especially with my hair. We gotta get it done right now. Oh, sorry, let me show you guys the hairstyle we're trying today. Have you guys tried it yet? Have you seen it? I'm gonna be honest right now, I think it's kind of childish, but depends on how you wear it and how you put it off. I don't know, let me know in the comment section down below, but it's still cute. But let's just see how it looks on my hair. I'm just willing to try anything to see how it looks. If I like it, I'm gonna do it again. If not, then we won't do it again. Like, okay, let me unravel this real quick so we can start the hairstyle. Fun fact, I actually wanted to do this on my previous blow dried hair if you watched my previous videos, but I really wanted my hair to be clean. I have this thing where I just need clean hair to do hairstyles or to do my hair in general. It's a bad habit. Is it? Doing this on my hair in this state where it's kind of damp, still kind of wet, highly moisturized, I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna see. My hair is detangled though, so that's good. I want my parts to be somewhat straight, so let me unravel this one on the other side as well. Confessions, I never usually know what I'm doing when I'm styling my hair. I just go with the flow. I'm gonna ask my mom to help me with my parts. Mama Reza help me with my parts. I'll just keep going to her when I need fresh parts. I'm going to do them medium sized, not too big, not too small. Wait, I think this one is a little bit too small. I think I can have about 4 at the back section. Let's make this section bigger. I really hope that's straight at the back, but let me detangle this. The main character of this hairstyle is rubber bands, right? So I have my tub, so we're just gonna apply rubber bands like we're crazy. I'm just kidding. Start with the first rubber band, wrap it around maybe, let's say 4 times. So that's 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 for the starting of the braid. I am going to apply some grease to make sure that my hair stays moisturized because I want this style to last for the entire week, right? I'm using the olive oil Blue Magic. Just gonna put that over the hair, not too much, smooth it out a bit. Let's apply the next set of rubber bands. Pull, make sure that's tight, and I'm going to go down like half an inch, a little over an inch and a half, and wrap it around like 3, maybe 4 times. And you're going to need a lot of rubber bands for this hairstyle. Confessions, I have this thing where I start my hair and I just don't want to continue. I'm feeling like that right now because this just feels like it's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm gonna push through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this style would have been a lot better on stretched hair, but I got it as stretched as I can with the time that I had. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. And I keep detangling each time because my hair is curling up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that one is down a little too far. Okay, it's coming along. Detangle again. I am gonna add a little extra touch on the ends. You're gonna have to wait to see what I do to my ends. Who can guess in the comment section down below what you think we add into the ends? Okay, I'm almost done with this one. 1, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the first bubble braid down. Many more to go. Let's get to working. Time to concentrate. We're almost done. This is what the hair looks like without the added touch, you know. How do we feel about it so far? I don't know. I don't know how to feel yet. Is this even a side part? A deep side part. The added touch. Y'all hear it? We're gonna add some beads to the ends. I actually ran out of rubber bands. I'm gonna have to make this shake. I have my bead shredder. I'm gonna use about 2 beads. Put the hair through, pull the beads on at the end, wrap it around the last bead, and then we're going to use our rubber band to secure. I feel like the beads would add a nice little touch to it. What do you guys think? Let me see how this is gonna look. And it's gonna make the hair hang and stretch out like I actually wanted it to. So let me do my full head and come back and show you guys. An hour and 45 minutes later, we're done. Fully done now this time. All the beads are in and I like it. It's gonna grow on me. It's different. So tell me guys what you think in the comment section down below. Of course I'm going to do a week in my hair to show you guys how my hair holds up. So let me give you a 360. I was gonna put on makeup and do a whole shebang, but maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I don't know. Will I have time to do that tomorrow? Actually, give it to you from the back. How the parts looking back there though? My mom helped me with the majority of the parts. Y'all, I'm so tired. I got somewhere to go for real in less than 15 minutes. But thank you guys for watching. This isn't the end of the video. But let me just say it now because the way how these videos be ending these days. Have you guys tried this style? Would you try this style? Most of the videos that I've seen was it done with extensions, but of course I used my own hair because it's long enough, so why not? See you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure, but ciao guys. I really was trying to do a week in my hair to show you guys what I did with my hair, how my hair held up throughout the week. But y'all, today is Sunday. I did my hair last week Monday, right? So it's been shy of a full week since I did my hair. Y'all, I did not have to do anything to my hair at all, not even the edges guys. But let me show you guys real quick what my hair looks like on the hair. I've just been wearing my hair on the side like this. I did nothing to my hair, so this is a very low maintenance style. I may do it again because I also got a lot of compliments, right? I usually get compliments when I do my hair, but this time around it was so much. I was like, oh my gosh, thank you, oh my gosh, thank you, oh you like it, oh my gosh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And to be honest, my hair can go another week, but I want something different. Only thing though, some of the rubber bands have already started to pop, like this one. There's a few over here. You see this one? There's some in the back, but my hair still looks fresh and good. If you do want to try this style out, it's going to last a good time, and my hair is still moisturized. My ends are protected. The thing with beads is that you kind of put in a little too much strain on your hair, to be honest, but I'm gonna take it down now to wash my hair, and I tied a string to keep it on the side because trying to get a ponytail holder over my hair, no good. So let's take these down. Let's see how well they're going to come down and how long it's gonna take. It's 12:35 right now to take down. I'm gonna put all my hair up and pull one by one. So what show can we watch on Netflix today? I finished watching Echoes If you guys have started watching it because of me, let me know how it's going. I've been hearing a lot about, is it Durham? Durham? What is it? Yes, Dame Monster, the Jeffrey Dahmer story. I've been hearing mixed reviews about this. Is this something I want to watch right now? Let's watch it and see. But let me do one on camera with you guys. I am going to use a scissors for most of them, but you guys know how I get when I get impatient. I just like to rip, but I don't cause that much damage on my hair when I do rip, do I don't know. So I gotta be careful to not cut my hair. That's one. Okay, this seems like it's gonna take a while. Oh my god! We're just gonna have to rip some of them. So when I say rip, pull and find a piece. And my hair is still moisturized, guys. So pull a piece of the band and just rip it. This is giving me some trouble. This is how much I did so far, and that's because I found an easy way to do this. Okay, so hear me out. Start from the bottom. I may cut or tug at them. Try not to cut my hair. Cut it with the scissors. Twirl around the part where the rubber band was placed. Okay, see, it's coming off. Pull the other bead out. I gotta examine my ends all the time to see how much damage it did to my ends. Okay, not too bad. And here's the easy part now. So instead of taking down each rubber band by bussing or on banding, I just roll down the band, and my hair is still moisturized, so it's not damaged into my hair at all. So I just pull it down like that, and you see it's coming off easy. Just continue to hold the bands. See how quick and easy that is? See, I'm almost done. I haven't pulled out any hair as yet. And for the band at the root, I may just bust that one, or I can also pull it down, but I gotta be careful with that one to not rip my edges out. Boom! Y'all see that? Quick and easy. Your girl is smart AF. Let me go back to doing the rest. Bye.